Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove or turn off screen time from TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So if you want to turn off screen time without passcode, then I'll show you how can you do it. So firstly, let me show you here. Enter your passcode to turn off daily screen time. Now I'm going to put this one, as you can see guys, invalid passcode. Again it's showing here invalid passcode because I have forgotten the passcode. That's why it's showing their invalid passcode. So how can you remove it without passcode? So you have to go back from here. Now let me show you here. Now I'm going to change the passcode and it's showing here error, wrong passcode, please try again. So how can you fix it? Go back from here and again open TikTok. Now from here what you need to do is just simply tap on your profile. Now tap on three lines, go to settings and privacy. Now from here just simply scroll it down, tap on report a problem, just simply scroll it down and tap on suggestions. Now tap on no, now tap on need more help. Now from here you have to take screenshot of your problem when you try to change or turn off passcode and you have entered the password is showing here error invalid password. So you have to take screenshot of your problem and here you have to put your screenshot and after that you have to write this one. So I have already copied and given in the description as well, and just simply tap on done and just simply tap on submit and your request will be submitted and TikTok team will remove screen time from your account as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.